something you should see. If you're ready, let me know, then I'll take you with me. Take you with me to show you all my fantasies.
Oh my gosh, stand next to it? This is so crazy.
You take the back seat, I'll be a chauffeur. Only for you, I break my enclosure. You close your eyes, I lead the way. Show ya, show ya.
Why? Wait, why?
I need this. This is what I need.
And part of it's because the balance is so bad now. Like he's just not stable enough on his feet.
You need the big shovel? Oh, you got it.
Well,
We have a little shovel we could use.
okay. So I've got this out now. Take a picture over here. Look at this.
Can you stand? Can you stand next to the car? I want to take a. I know, that's insane. Stand next to the car. I'm gonna take a picture. How do you?
Like the sheer amount of snow. This is insane.
This is a lot of snow. Wow. This is crazy. I don't think I've ever seen this much snow before.
Thank you. This is everywhere. This snow is everywhere.
This is insane. Wow.